G'day guys, today I thought I'd do a review on my Adventure Kings wireless thermometer. If you haven't seen my video on my fridge, if you're also checking out fridges at the same time you're checking out these thermometers, I'll chuck a little card up there now and you can have a look at that. Now these wireless thermometers, they're set to last 12 months with their battery life. Well, mine actually just ran out today, so they only last 8 months. But it's only 2 AAA batteries, so that's a very cheap cost. Now this little unit costs me nothing. I actually got it with my fridge, but I do know that they're only 20 bucks, and I'm going to show you why it's $20 well spent. So the rest comes with 2 parts. You have a receiver, and you've also got a transmitter that you just chuck in one side of your fridge. Now at the moment it's reading 0.9 degrees, and the fridge on the right hand side is saying 0 degrees. So that's actually quite accurate. Now the benefits of having this is when you're driving. I've got a second battery mounted in the toolbox over the back there, and I've been driving along a very bumpy road for hours, and what I didn't realize was that the actual battery terminal was vibrating so much that it broke off. Now I was in the car and I just have this thing sitting in my center console. So I looked down and I thought, oh geez, you know, because it was a hot day, wow, my fridge temperature's starting to go up. So I went outside, checked the fridge, thought, yeah, that's right, the fridge is cut out. There was no signal down here in the display panel. So I went and checked the whole circuit and found that the actual battery lead had broken. So I was able to fix that, get myself back on the road and go. So if you can't afford all your food for 20 bucks, then I don't know what you can have. So my advice, guys, would be to buy one of these. It'll hold a 24-hour memory, so it'll tell you that the fridge was at 21.5 degrees and 0.7 degrees over the last 24 hours, and that's because I've been taking stuff in, taking stuff out and loading it for a triple way. And then also too, the ambient temperature or in-car temperature is also shown on here for the last 24 hours. So as far as I'm concerned, I highly recommend them. And if you like this channel, if you like the review, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and also check out that review on the fridge, because they're bloody good.